This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 12, chapter 19. Exercise is 19.14, which is indefinite integrals we are talking about. Now, these questions all together, they are almost similar. One of the question, if you understand carefully, others will be very easy for you. 1 by a square minus b square x square. So you want to make it as some x square minus a square, x square plus a square, or under root s square minus a square, under root x square plus a square, like this. So if we take b square common from this a square minus b square x square, that is b square will be divided with both the terms. The first term will be a square by b square, or a by b whole square. The second term will be x square only. So what is the benefit? When we take this b square outside, we have the direct integration formula. That is 1 by a square minus x square. We have a direct formula, and that can be employed directly. So what is the formula of integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx? It's 1 by 2a log modulus a plus x divided by a minus x plus constant of integration. Okay, so this we would like to employ it here. B square into a square by b square minus x square is the denominator. So let's put this in the denominator. This b square was in the denominator, so just take this and write it as 1 by b square. So when you take this 1 by b square, you are left with this a square by b square minus x square. This a square by b square minus x square can be directly employed because we have a direct formula which I just mentioned, 1 by b square, and this multiplied by 1 by 2a. What is a here? A by b is actually a here. Log a plus x. What is a again? It's a by b whole square. That is a by b is the a. So a by b plus x divided by a by b minus x, and this is in the modulus signature. This is under modulus plus c, constant of integration. Now let's just simplify this numerator and denominator. A plus bx by b. This will be a minus bx by b. b gets cancelled. So this will be eventually a plus bx divided by a minus bx. So just cancel this b also. 1b square divided by b, 1b. So 1 by 2ab it will be. So 1 by 2ab log of. Now what do we have here? A plus bx and a minus bx. So let's write it this. A plus bx divided by a minus bx plus constant of integration. That's your final result. So how are we going to do this one? This you have to tell the examiner, actually write and show it to the examiner that you know this formula. That's how you're employing it or using it. So this question now, 1 by a square x square minus b square. So when we take this outside, a square, are we going to get something out of it? Yes, of course, we will be. So a square I am taking outside from the denominator. So a square x square, that is you just divide a square with both the terms. So when you take this a square outside, it will be x square minus b by a whole square. So this denominator, what do you get in the denominator? Let's see, integration of. So we have this a square, 1 by a square here, and x square minus b by a whole square. That means now you have to employ a formula here for the integration. And what will be that formula? We have just seen a formula in the previous question. So let me tell you that dx divided by, or 1 by x square minus a square integration will be 1 by 2a log x minus a divided by x plus a in the modulus plus a constant of integration. So this x will be x only, but a here is not a, it's b by a. So in place of a, you are going to write b by a. So 1 by a square, this is 2a. 1 by a square was already there outside. We have taken it outside in the earlier part. Now coming the 1 by 2, and a in this case is b by a, as I already told you. Now we have this log x minus a divided by x plus a. What is a here? B by a. So x minus b by a divided by x plus b by a. And this will remain under the modulus sign plus constant of integration. Now let's simplify this. X minus b by a. X minus b by a can be written as the numerator. This is denominator. X by 1 plus b by a. So ax minus b will be in the numerator and ax plus b in the denominator, because the denominator of both the upstairs and downstairs a term will get cancelled. 1a can be cancelled from here only. So 1 by 2ab will come and log, and this modulus of x minus b by a. So a x minus b, this we already got, by ax plus b, and this will be with a constant of integration. That's your final result. So this solution which you can do when you are writing, and this integration of dx by x square minus a square, that needs to be recalled. Again, same kind of a question with a plus sign in between. So here we can just take this a square common, so that we get x square plus b square by a square. So when you take a square common, I'm showing you the denominator right now. So this will be b square by a square. A square x square gets cancelled. You have x square by b by a whole square. Now a square has been taken common. So this integration will become like this. This a square will come here, 1 by a square. 1 is already there. So dx. This is x square by b by a whole square. So now we need the formula of 1 by x square plus a square integration. That will directly solve this question. So here tan inverse will appear, that is dx by x square plus b by a whole square, or in this case dx by x square plus a square, where I am telling you only the formula, will be 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So in this case x will be x, but a will be b by a. So wherever we have this a in the formula which I just told you on the right, that a has to be replaced by b by a. So 1 by a square, then 1 by a. 1 by a is what? 1 by b by a. And then tan inverse x by a. What is x? It is x by a. So x by a is actually b by a. So b will be in the denominator, a will go up. Ax plus ax by b. Now you can cancel one a also. I am writing it as 1 by ab. 1 by ab tan inverse ax plus b plus constant of integration. So this formula, if you know and you can recall, that this question will be simple for you. X square minus 1 divided by x square plus 4. So we will try to have a x square plus 4 in the numerator, so that we can just cancel it out with the denominator. Other terms we can have some formula. So just add a 4 and subtract a 4. Add 4, subtract 4, because we need that 4. And this negative 1 was already there. In the denominator you have x square plus 4. So the numerator will become x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 4 minus minus 4 minus 1 will be minus 5. So minus 5 divided by x square plus 4. So this will be 1 minus 5 divided by x square plus 4. Now we have to integrate them now. dt, no, this is dx, sorry. So with this dx integration will be x only. This 5 by x square plus 4. So I am doing this 5 by x plus 4 right now. 5 I am taking outside. X square plus 4 I am writing it as x square plus 2 square. Now we have, in the previous question we have seen 1 by x square plus a square. There is a direct relation, direct solution. So 5 here. So let me write this formula again. Dx of, or integration of 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus constant of integration. So 1 by a will be what? Here a is 2 and tan inverse x by a. X, a is 2. So this one is the integration of 5 divided by x square plus 4. Let us write it here. 5 by 2 tan inverse x by 2. This one plus constant of integration. So that's your final answer. This is your final answer. So this is how you are going to do it. It's pretty easy, because if you know this 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, all other things will be same. X square minus 1 has to be converted into x square plus 4 minus 4 minus 1. Now this is a different kind of question. So there are different approach to solve it. I am going to take an approach which is my approach, and there are other approaches which are available, resources related to this r.d.sharma. So we have a dx by under root x square plus a square is log modulus x plus under root x square plus a square. This is a direct or default result that we are going to use. So integration of dx divided by under root is x square plus a square. We'll try to formulate it. One way is to just write this 4x square as 2x square, 2x whole square. Take 2x as t and then try to resolve it. That I'm going to show you. But I'll take another approach, and that I'll show you right now. We'll take 4 common from here. So what we'll do here is, in the under root, I am taking 4 outside. So it will be 1 by 4 plus 4x square by 4. So this 4 gets cancelled. X square only will remain. That is under root 4 into x square plus 1 by 4 it is. So under root 4 will give you 2. So 2 comes out. And inside it will be x square plus 1 by 4. That is 1 by 2 whole square you can write. Now from here to here, you have direct integration formula here. You just see here. I just told you in the beginning. So 1 by 2 log modulus now. X will remain like x only. And then we have x square plus a square. X square plus, what is a square? 1 by 2 whole square. That is 1 by 4 it will be. and modulus n then plus constant of integration. So if you want to resolve the inside, other things remains the same. So let me resolve this under root x square plus 1 by 2 whole square. That is not resolving but actually simplification. So this x square plus under root x square plus 1 by 4 I am resolving, which is inside log. So now I am taking this x square plus 1 by 4 part. This will be 4x square plus 1 by 4 and this is under root. So 2 will come out from the downstairs. So x plus under root 1 plus 4x square and 1 by 2 has come out. So x plus, now just take the LCM. 2x plus under root 1 plus 4x square divided by 2. So this is divided by 2, but this, please remember, this is inside the log. Now we have log a by b relationship also. So when we have this log a by b, it will be log a minus log b. Log a by b is log a minus log b. How are you going to write it? 1 by 2 log. So I'm writing this first as 2x plus under root 1 plus 4x square. This is log a. What is log b? Log b is what? Because log a by b is log a minus log b. Log b is, denominator is 2. So it will be log 2. So log 2 minus log 2 plus c. That will again give you a constant. So constant along with the constant will only be a constant. So just write it as a c prime now. So now this whole will be, only solution will be 1 by 2 log 2x plus under root 1 plus 4x square plus constant of integration. Now this is a different approach which I am trying to show you, because there are students who ask for some different kind of solution or easy solution. So this is one of the solution which you can adopt and just follow it the way I taught you the previous one, which I did in a different terms. I took something different approach, but the answer will remain same that you already know. So this question we will take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and have a good one.